Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got the spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of October. And honestly, this month's box is going to be so fun. It's like Halloween candy themed, so it's a super cute theme for this month. But really quick, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And you can use code Michelle Martin. That's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. This is also an all makeup subscription box. So if you're looking to grow your makeup collection, this is a great subscription to do it with. Also, if you like these spoiler videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. I also do unboxings, try-ons. I like to review a bunch of different makeup and do get readies with me. I actually do my nails on here every once in a while, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you ring the notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload, because I do upload at least twice a week, but it's on different days. I have like a random schedule. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into some spoilers. So you know, if you've been with me, I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the eyeshadow palette for me. And this month, we're going to be getting a Rasha B Cosmetics palette. Rasha B has some of the best eyeshadow formulas, in my opinion. I absolutely love the mattes, the duochromes, the shimmers. They're all really nice, beginner friendly, and all of her palettes are very colorful. They're not your traditional just basic palettes. So you have a lot of fun with these eyeshadow palettes. So this is the candy palette. This is an 8-pan palette. We're going to get a black, an orange, a duochrome blue, a duochrome white, a duochrome teal, a duochrome orangey color, a duochrome copper, a yellow, and all of the names on here are candy themed. Super cute. I love it. Spoiler number 2 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Illuminati Cosmetics. And this is going to be a lip gloss in the shade Mystery, which how cute is that? That's like the little Airheads candy. You know, the white one is named Mystery. So this lip gloss ties right in with the candy theme. I hope this lip gloss is going to be close to the Fenty Gloss Bomb one that I like in Diamond Milk. It looks like it's going to be kind of that milky white lip gloss, so I'm excited for this one. Spoiler number 3 is going to be a product from Armorous, and this is going to be their Jello Shots Cream Eyeshadow. Super cute. We're getting it in the shade Amber Gold, and it's going to go perfect with that eyeshadow palette. I haven't used a cream eyeshadow like this in so long, so I'm excited to get this and try out a cream eyeshadow again. Spoiler number 4 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from St. Luxe. And this is going to be a liquid highlighter. Now we're going to receive one of the 5 shades. And if you know me, you know I always say you can never have too many highlighters. But I'm super excited that this is a liquid highlighter, switching it up. We're not just going to get another powdered highlighter. Because really, liquid highlighters you can do a little more with. Like you can add them into your foundation. You can put them all over for a nice glow. You can add them into body lotions. So I do like liquid highlighters. And then for the 5th and final spoiler for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Rude Cosmetics. And this is going to be a cream blush in the shade Fruit Tart. Super cute. I'm excited to get this cream blush. You guys know, if you've been with me the last 6 months or so, I've been all about the cream and liquid blushes. So I'm super excited for this box. I love how well it is coordinated for Halloween. I think this box is super cute. We're going to have a lot of fun with this box. We've got some color to play around with. So I'm going to say that I'm most excited for the eyeshadow palette this month. But as always, girl, let me know where you're most excited for. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!